Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change border color Excel. Let's open our Excel file. There, select the cells that you are going to change their border. When you do, right-click on one and click on Format Cells. In this window, you are going to go to the Border tab. Here, select the border style to use. In the Color section, you can choose one of the defined colors or click on More Colors to access the color palette. With the color selected in the border field, click on Outline and Inside so that all the borders are selected. Click OK and you will see that the border of the cells has been modified. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.